Hi sis, have you been struggling to create a perfect skincare routine? Have you been struggling to get the right skincare products that will not only promise a perfect skin but will actually enhance your skin tone? I will be sharing all that, and I will also be teaching you how to use this product for effective results. Trust me sis, it's not about buying expensive products, and I'm not disputing the fact that expensive product doesn't work, but I also believe you can achieve a radiant healthy skin tone without investing so much on skincare. Sis, I know you must have seen or watched several videos on YouTube on inexpensive morning skincare routine for a glowing skin, but I believe this is a perfect time. You have to unlearn and relearn the perfect way to care for your skin. If you are consistent and patient with your skin, within 2 to 4 weeks, you will notice an improvement in your skin tone. The right morning skincare routine will leave your skin feeling calm and hydrated all day long, and our main focus is hydration and protection. The routine I'll be sharing in today's video is perfect for all skin type, all skin tones. So if you're dark skin, fair skin, caramel skin, this can actually work very well for you. And if you're someone that suffers from acne, hyperpigmentation, or you have aging skin characterized by fine lines, wrinkle, you will also find this content super helpful. I subdivided today's topic into two. So we have the face care and we have the body care. But before we go into the details of today's video, I want to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch yet another video from me. And if you're a first timer, or if you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Aloe, and I would love you to join my channel, my skincare community. So you can do that by clicking on the red subscribe button, and also remember to turn on the notification bell. This will automatically get you notified once I drop a new content. And please, if you end up enjoying today's video, don't forget to like, drop your comment down below. I'll be down there reading all your comments and answering all your questions. And don't forget to share this video to someone that needs it, because in here we do not gatekeep information. Now, moving over to our body care, you have to prioritize two things, which is hydration and protection as well. And we have to start by cleansing our skin. In this video, I'll be recommending body soap because body soap is cheaper than body wash. Since we are within the budget, one of my top picks for moisturizing body soap to use during the daytime is your Lost soap. You can also get the Dove soap and Johnson moisturizing soap, the pink one. We also have the Imperial leather, and we have the Caris aloe vera soap. This soap are super moisturizing that you will enjoy. The next is our body lotion. During the daytime, it's very important for you to prioritize hydration over brightening or exfoliating. It's best to choose products that are rich in hydration, and especially for people in the part of the world that is very, very hot, this can actually make your skin sensitive to sunlight, even leading to more uneven skin tone like sunburn and the rest. So yes, during the daytime, prioritize hydrating body lotion. My top picks for hydrating body lotion is this Nivea Nourishing Body Lotion. I've reviewed about this. So sis, if you want to know more about the lotion, I'll be leaving the link on my description box. Another very good one is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Lotion. People say it's for light skin, and yes, I've been using this cream. I love it. And this cream, even though it contains salicylic acid, the percentage isn't much. And if you're someone that you can use two body lotion, or you cannot afford using two body lotion in your skincare routine, this can be used during the daytime and the nighttime. Another very good one is the Vaseline Intensive Care. It has different range. We have the Aloe Smooth, we have the Essential Healing, and we also have the Advanced Repair. And there's one I also came across yesterday when I went to the supermarket to get groceries. Vaseline Intensive Care. This one it has almond oil. It is also very good. Applying oil during the daytime is optional, and to me isn't relevant for me to apply oil during the daytime. Probably I just want to expose my tiny beautiful legs or expose my body. That's when I want that shiny effect. I can go on and pour oil during the daytime on my body, but honestly it is not relevant for you to include body oil. This is when your hydrating products comes into play, because if you're hydrating body lotion like this very one, it is super hydrating on the skin. And trust me, sis, when you apply this, you will not even need an oil, because you will see that glowing, shining effect. So yes, but if you still decide to make use of oil, that is perfect, and no recommendation from me for oil in today's video. So the last one is to protect our skin. It is super important for you to protect your skin, and I cannot overemphasize how important it is for you to protect your skin. You can also start by using an umbrella, wearing protective clothing, carrying shawl or your scarf, or your eyeglasses. These are the cheaper method, because I know applying sunscreen can be super expensive for someone within the budget. Another very good sunscreen, this sunscreen actually can be used on the face and the body, and this Esteline on as well can be used on the face and body. But another very good one I do recommend, I don't know if people have heard about it, is this Dr. Rashel anti-aging moisturizing sunscreen spray. This one, you spray it on your body, and it is formulated with SPF 60. It also has vitamin E, which means it has antioxidants, and also, protect your skin against aging. For our face care, the first step is our cleanser. A clean face is our starting point to a healthy, glowing complexion, and finding the best facial care products for daytime use would depend on your skin type and your skin concern. The best product for acne-prone skin you can use during the daytime is Neutrogena Acne Wash Soap. It can be used on the face and body, and is sold for 3,500. Another very good one is Clean and Clear Bar Soap, sold for 3,500. But if you are within the budget and you feel like these two soap are super expensive for you, because I believe the price also depends on your vendor and your location, then you can try the Jantine Acne Soap. It's a very effective soap for acne, for a smooth glowing skin, and it's sold for 2,100 naira. Another one is the Nature Chef Acne Soap, also sold for 2,500 naira. Another soap, I don't want to talk about the soap, but I believe someone would definitely send me a message on my comment section and be asking about the soap. So I'm going to talk about it. Another soap that is also very effective on acne is the Retinol A Acne Soap. Retinol A soap. This soap is very good for acne, for a even tone, radiant skin, but because it's formulated with Retinol A, I'm very conscious of introducing this soap in your morning skincare routine. That's why if you like this soap, we can push it to your night routine. And if you are someone that doesn't have an active lifestyle during the daytime, you can as well try the soap. It's also super effective on acne. For people with dry, normal, and hyperpigmented skin, hyperpigmentation is best treated during the nighttime. One of my favorite soap that is also very affordable is the Dove Beauty Bar. This is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar. This is the moisturizing one. They have different brands. They have the one, it comes in a light blue. It's hypoallergic. It's for people that have sensitive skin, and also for people that have dry skin. It's very suitable for the face. This is the particular one I use on my face. I use it on my face and my body. Another one that is very good is the Pink Dove Soap. And this one also can also be used on your face and body for people within the budget. But if you don't mind stretching out your budget, you can as well get the simple moisturizing cleanser. But another very good one that's also very good is the Nivea Soft Care Bar Soap for someone within the budget. And this soap is sold for 2,000, 2,900. It doesn't exceed that. So how are you going to use this soap so that you get a maximum result? You are going to use lukewarm water. Wash your face for 30 to 60 seconds on a circular motion to help to get rid of the dirt, and you wash it off. Then you follow with your toner. Toners are very important but not always necessary in our skincare routine. Toner helps to prep your skin and allows ingredients or other products to penetrate easily into your skin. Toner also helps to remove excess oil for a healthy, glowing skin tone. I've used a lot of toner and I've talked about it on this channel. During my daytime, I really prefer to use hydrating toner because it gives me that glowing effect. I mean, that's what I want during the daytime, for people to compliment my skin or use my forehead as a mirror. So one of my very best hydrating toner is the Expel Beauty Aloe Vera toner, and this toner is sold for less than 2,500 naira. Another good one I'm using currently, and I love it as well, is the Simple Hydrating toner. I got this for, I think, 3,500 or 2,500 thereabout. It is very soothing on the skin and also effective on acne-prone skin. It's very, very gentle. Another very good one I think you should get, that you will not regret it, and this is for people that have normal to dry skin. It is the Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid Essence Toner. This is also effective for someone in their late 30s that wants to tackle fine lines and wrinkle for that radiant glowing skin. It is so big, the bottle is very huge, and guess what, it is sold for less than 3,000 naira. Another very good one, yes, is this beauty formula brightening vitamin C. It can also be used during the daytime, even though it helps with hyperpigmentation. I like the fact that even as much as it's a brightening toner, it is also very hydrating on the skin as well, and you know it's formulated with vitamin C. I feel like even as much as it can be used to treat hyperpigmentation, vitamin C products are very gentle. It contains vitamin C and vitamin E. I don't want to review any products because I've reviewed this product on my channel. So why I believe it can be used during the daytime is because of the vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, and vitamin E is also antioxidant. Is very good for, to protect your skin against the harmful effects of sun. Another very good toner I do recommend for my girlies that have acne is the Skin Doctor. This is very, very effective. Just that if you're a girly that doesn't like fragrance in their skincare routine like me, you're not going to enjoy using this. And this is very good for people that have acne prone skin formulated with witch hazel. Is also very good for hyperpigmentation, but more beneficial for people with oily skin. And for someone with dry skin, I don't approve you go for this. But if you have normal to oily skin, this toner will work very well for you. The next step in your morning skincare routine is our vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum has brightening and anti-aging benefits. It's a strong antioxidant that helps to reduce fine lines, wrinkle, and promote a glowing, beautiful skin. And yes, it is compulsory for you all to include vitamin C in your skincare routine. I've used a whole lot of vitamin C. I have used Rashel vitamin C. I have also used Cosrx, but the one I'm recommending in today's video that is very affordable and I know that you can afford, and it is not only affordable. Sis, I have to say this, there are a lot of affordable products in the market, but is it effective? I'm talking about a product that you will get, you will enjoy, and repurchase it without feeling like you wasted your money. So the very one I'll be recommending in today's video, because I've used a lot of vitamin C, but I'm only recommending the best one I'm repurchasing, is this Dr. Rashel vitamin C. I feel like this Dr. Rashel vitamin C has actually stood the test of time. It has anti-aging benefits and it also brightens. Another very good one is the Face Fat vitamin C serum. Is also very, very effective. Another one is the Estelim vitamin C, super good, and yes, I approve. The next step is our hyaluronic acid. Including hyaluronic acid isn't necessary to include in your skincare routine, but it's effective on aging skin. So if you're someone that is in your late 30s, early 30s, and is asking for affordable products that can use to tackle aging, says get hyaluronic acid. And if you also suffer from dry skin, rough skin, especially now we are entering the Hamatan season, or people in abroad are entering winter, this is the perfect time to invest in hyaluronic acid. I feel like hyaluronic acid is actually a cheaper option. If you cannot afford this Cosrx snail mixing, you can then use hyaluronic acid. I've used a whole lot of hyaluronic acid, and like I said, I'm going to recommend the best one that you can repurchase and enjoy. And my number one hyaluronic acid I love, and I promise you I'm going to repurchase, is this Face Fat Hyaluronic Acid Facial Serum. I'm still going to review this, so I will not say much about this, but if you can get it, go get it. It's sold for 3,000 naira. Another very good one I have used is the Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid. I've also used the Estelim Hyaluronic Acid and the Beauty Formula Hyaluronic Acid. And if you're someone that you feel like this is actually super expensive because it comes in a tiny bottle, I think this is 50 ml, or this is 30 ml, and you feel like it's expensive for you, then sis, go for aloe vera gel. It has anti-aging benefits and soothing benefits. And if you're someone that suffers from sunburn, you have sunburn on your skin, please sis, go and get your aloe vera gel. This is the aloe vera gel I'm talking about. I'm not talking about raw aloe vera gel. I do not approve raw aloe vera gel because it depends on the species. There are a lot of raw aloe vera gel that's super harsh on the skin, but this is more mild and it is mixed with other ingredients that you find super beneficial, like the glycerin and the rest, that has soothing benefits. And also the pH level of this aloe vera is normal, is not going to, irritate your skin. And if you have redness, probably you have bleached your skin and you have patches of redness on your skin, invest in this aloe vera gel. That is what I'm recommending for you. Vitamin E is also another ingredient people do not pay serious attention to. It supports vitamin C. In fact, when you apply vitamin C and also apply vitamin E in your daytime skincare routine, it's going to brighten your skin and as well boost the effect of vitamin C for that healthy, beautiful skin. The next is our moisturizer. Says no matter your skin type, you have oily skin, you have dry skin, you have normal skin, you have acne-prone skin, you shouldn't exclude moisturizer in your skincare routine because it will reduce the chances of you developing extreme oiliness or extreme dryness. Both extreme is bad. It can cause acne, it can cause skin blemishes. My top pick for your daily moisturizer. I'm in love with face fats. This is very good, this face fat, and this is highly recommended for someone with oily skin. It contains ceramide and 5-hyaluronic acid and oats. Also super beneficial for someone that wants anti-aging products, or someone with dry skin can also find it beneficial. Yes, this ceramide, hyaluronic acid. But if you have dry to normal skin, you can also invest in the Nivea Radiant Daytime Vitamin C face cream. It is also really good for someone with dry to oily skin, dry to normal skin. But if you have oily skin, this, you go for this. Moreover, someone with normal dry skin can also find this beneficial. But we girls that have oily skin, you have to be very mindful. The next one, after applying your moisturizer, which I told you is super important, is your sunscreen. Let me tell you, sis, sunscreen protects you from the harmful rays of UVA and UVB and protects you from aging and cancer. It is super important. As you drink water daily, also apply your sunscreen. I don't sugarcoat words. I'm not the type of person that would tell you, oh, sis, let me be honest with you about the sunscreen. It is very good to invest in expensive sunscreen. However, one of the cheapest sunscreen I feel that is effective and has worked for me is this Dr. Rashel 60 plus SPF. I've tried this Dr. Rashel product and I've also tried the Serum product as well. This is Serum product. I can't find the head. Yes, but to be honest with you, I prefer the Dr. Rashel. And also remember, even as much as you're applying your sunscreen, if you have to reapply your sunscreen. And reapplication of sunscreen, I know, is an ever confusing topic. The truth is that our sunscreen degrades faster when we sweat and we have outdoor activities like swimming and workout, and that is when it's practical for you to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. You get? Guys, you have come to the end of today's topic. Let me know, did you enjoy this topic? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, share this video to someone that needs it. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruit and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.